The threat is not going away in the short terms, but we need to put everyone together, like engineers or social scientists and stakeholders that try to work together. My name is Jun Zhuang. I'm a professor of the Industrial and Systems Engineering at the University of Buffalo. Yeah, so I'm one of the research thrust area lead in the area of deterrence, like risk assessment. My research thrust is dealing with how to deal with adaptive adversaries using like game theory and also some machine learning and data analytics tools. Try to understand that how terrorists could be responding to the potential countermeasures of the government set forth. My expertise is game theory and how to model the adaptive adversaries, thinking from the red teaming's perspective and from the adversary's perspective, how they would adapt to the government's policies and private sector or defenders' policies. And so I've been trying to first model the multi-layers of system protections, but understanding that each layers may not be perfect, so the adversaries maybe observe the potential vulnerabilities, maybe strategically attacks the most vulnerable points, and then from the defender side, how to better protect allocated resources to better protect the overall system vulnerabilities. My team consists of myself, which is an industrial engineer, and also a psychologist, like Dr. Lead Jun Zhuang from University of Southern California. And we've been working together, not only develop mathematical modeling, but we consider the human elements. We do the human experiments, try to think that how the humans would be responding to the system's defenses. So what we have done so far, we do lots of literature reviews. We have visited some stakeholders. We visited the churches and airports, some of the soft targets, and we talk to stakeholders, try to understand that what the real problems are, what their real concerns are, before we mathematically model the problem and do some human experiments. What surprised me the most is how complicated the problem is and how different stakeholders' perspectives differ. So we talk about different stakeholders, like for the airport security perspectives, what are the airport managers, what is the airport police, what is the TSA's perspective, and what's the passenger's perspective. There are many, many different stakeholders in these complex problems, and each people's opinions need to be heard. And from our perspective, we want to understand that how people's perspectives are, and before we do the mathematical modelings and doing the basic research. I'm very excited for this project, and I'm very excited to looking forward to working with many of the stakeholders, collaborators on this project in order to make the country safer.